Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add friends in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add friends in Dark War Survival. So you'll need to go and tap on the mail icon in the bottom right corner. And here you will have the chats and everything with your friends and all of those things. So we have the mail icon in the bottom. But you have to have the player ID that you need to give it to your friends so that they can add you. Go to the top left corner, click on your profile, and there when you click, you have your name, and when you click on account in the bottom, so there we have more account settings and rankings. Click on account, and there, as you can see, we have the email, where of course email, survivor, and ID. You need to get that ID to your friends so that they can of course go and add you. Then of course when you do that, then when they add you, you'll have it in the bottom right corner. Here you'll have the messages where you can of course go and accept the friend request and then start chatting to them and playing the game. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.